I wanted to talk with you a little bit about what is inner work. And the inner work is the sum total of all the collection of all the traumas and the hurts and wounds that we have experienced from this entire incarnation, meaning from your birth to right now. So think you have a U-Haul truck and you're trucking through your life and you're collecting memories and broken pieces, or maybe you got a beautiful tea set metaphorically and it's been broken and shattered and you can't quite give it away, but you hold on to it, you put it in a box. And here we are collecting all these broken pieces of everything of our lives, and we're just carrying it around with us. Inner work is emptying the U-Haul. And a lot of times we get really overwhelmed because there's so much stuff in there. And you know you should empty it because you want to get new stuff or bring in a new relationship, or here comes the children, right? I can help you with that.